Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. I think 18th of September, Saturday. Sun is up, so are we. We are going to Ketanahalli Falls, I think. They said there is a pretty decent off-road trail there, and I'm actually going with some of the guys I met in the off-roading event last week. So we kind of made a gang and decided to do some stuff together and see how it works. However, we also have Frank with us today. His Pulsar is also going to be put to the test, but mostly we have X-Pulse with rally kits, an Impulse, KTM 390s, one AS200, and Huskies SWAT Pillion. Two of them, I think. Yeah, so that's the rally kit in front of me. This is the stock. So we're gonna kind of see how good it is. I was anyways planning to upgrade to a rally kit, so I'll get to see what the difference is, if it's like a good major difference and stuff. I might just consider upgrading, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, for now the idea is to go hit the trails, have some good time. I think सब लोग आगे चले गए. This was supposed to be the trail, I think. And I'm gonna go after a few guys क्योंकि मुझे रास्ता नहीं पता ना मेरे पास मैप है तो. What's up, buddy? Yep. Nope. I don't want to go in the slush. No, what? Suspension wise, I don't really have any complaint with the stock suspensions also. Handlebar feels very low. Risers would fix that. His skid plate, if he has one, is gonna touch the earth today. Right, left, right, तो आगे. Apparently, stones, mate. Is that how it goes? अरे सब कुछ होगा. That is steep. We've come off somewhere else. This just looks too tempting. Can't not try it. I'm waiting for him to move. Can you just move this a little bit? I mean, talking about worst case scenarios, there's only one thing that can happen. We're ready for it. Yeah, I think we're gonna go back because the trail looks like it's something else. I think we came off somewhere else. I'll just go and come back. Yeah, let's find out. Huh? Yeah. Tell me. Woo! So do we have another trail that we can go to? Cool. So I'll come back down.
Yeah, come back.
Okay, now the biggest challenge is coming back down because it's not hard land. It is all stones. This is bad. Should have asked Frank to come to spot me. But I do have somebody there. It's just going. There's no way you can ride down this. The problem is if you try, you'll gain so much bloody speed that once you get down, you won't be able to stop yourself. See that? Oh fuck.
You can leave the spring. You can just here.
नहीं जंप करते वक्त वो क्लोज हो गया तो फिर प्रॉब्लम होगा ना
उल्टा करके
अभी के लिए फिलहाल पैर रखने के लिए जगह मिल गया तो बस हो गया
वही
get some zip ties and all
No, the way you said I have cutting plier, I was about to ask you, do you have a welding machine also?
Tony Stark के चाव
Well, something is better than nothing.
back brake
Okay, heading out of this place now. We actually took a wrong route. That's what we just climbed. Bike is back down. So we're gonna go back out the same trail, find the correct trail, and then head back. See if it climbs on second. Yeah, I mean, if you have momentum, it doesn't really create any issues. It's gonna go first on this. It's good to be a gear lower if you're doubtful, rather than stalling in the middle of the obstacle, is what I think. Woo. Oh fuck. कहाँ से जाऊँ Well, I like you, mate. Looks like they've gone this way. Could just go this way, no? Ow. Yeah, my back is already gone. You just help me out with this, no? 1, 2, 3. Thanks, buddy. Can actually go turn and come back. I want to take that route. That route. गिरा दिया साले ने मुझे. कितनी बार गिराएगा अब तो. Finally, here we are. Alright, so I had a crazy trail session. The bikes are parked up there. We're going down to the waterfall. So I can hear water, so I'm pretty sure there's water in the waterfall, but I hope it's enough. Some guys are gonna get into the water. I'm not, but sure it's gonna be fun. Oh, I can see the waterfall already. Let's go down there. Right, so on the way out now. That is Swat Pelin. It is theme wrapped. It's called Loki, so you have the Loki theme around it. That's a really cool one. This is full of gravel. Can't even think about touching the brakes here. There goes the rally kit. Oh. Holy shit. I really need to know what that sound is. Something is loose. And it's right on my handlebar. Okay. Not now. Hey, we have water also here. And stones. Let's go up here. Bro, I think we missed the trail or something. Is this the trail? Alright, back on tarmac. Trails are kind of over, but वो ऊपर चढ़ाया था याद है, तभी इतने थक गए थे कि we exhausted all the water that we had. So I think we're gonna have some refreshment break somewhere. उसके बाद में छू